Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me this morning and asked how to make a puzzle piece out of a six-sided polygon. And this is pretty easy, pretty fun. Just have to think about some things. Here's one of the pieces that I took out. So let's draw a polygon. And holding down the control button, because we need it equal. It's six-sided. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. We need 3 male pieces and 3 female pieces for this to work. And you need to start out with something that's even. You could do a square with 4 sides, 6 sides, 8 sides. And we're going to draw a circle. Let me set my nudge factor on 2 inches should be good. I'm going to draw a circle. And you don't have to start with it in the center, but it'll click to the center if you want, then let's nudge it over. Then let's get a rectangle. We're just basically making a puzzle piece. Same thing there. Let it snap to the center. And let's elongate it. Now let's take our virtual segment delete key and delete all those lines in the middle. Now to seal all that up or weld it, I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. And I made a complete new object. I'm going to left click, right click, and now all our objects are good. We need, like I said, we need 3 male parts of the puzzle and 3 females. So we need to put another male on that corner. So we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. And we're going to move this corner to that corner with it snapped to. Now we're going to double click on it and we're going to move our rotation to the center. Now I can grab that and have it snap to there. Now we need to make the male again, so we're going to block out these lines. And we're going to use the Smart Fill tool again. And just move it over. Left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate of it. Let's move that one to there. Click on our rotation and put our rotation on that corner and just start rotating it. Then you can always grab that corner and have it snap to it. So we got our lines again we're going to have to take out. And let's Smart Fill it again. We're almost there. Left click, right click, and now we need to make our female parts. And to make them, we're going to make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate, and we're going to grab that node right there and move it to have it snap to there. Use our Smart Fill tool again. There's one of our females. We're going to move it out of the way. This is a little bit just repetitive, but it's gets you thinking what you need to do. Now let's just take that one out of the way and let's put that to the pin. And now let's double click on it and rotate it. Whoop, that didn't work. Let's back up here. What I need is I need to rotate that part. So I'm going to have it snap to there, get my rotation and have it go to there, then move your rotation to there. And if you're doing this for yourself, you want to make sure these lines are exactly on top of each other. So if you have snap to on, it should pop. I'm a little bit off of my rotation, so I can move my rotation now to that corner, and I can rotate this corner and get it perfect. Now we need to make another Smart Fill of the copy, and we're almost there. We just need to do one more. We're going to take this one away, keep using our same one. We're going to left click, right click, and we're going to move this guy all the way around so he gets about right there. Well, no, I need that other side. I was looking. And then move this, click that to that corner. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Double click and get a rotation in that corner. It should snap to it. Then you can actually grab that node. We're almost there. we're there. We've made a 6-sided Polygon puzzle piece. Let's delete all this. Now, because we've smart filled it, it's all one piece. And then all you have to do is make a duplicate, Control D, grab that node right there and have it snap to there. Once you've done that, Control D, Control D, Control D, as many times as you want. Control D and get that corner, and let's grab that node right there and put it right there. And you could keep going with that forever. And then just take your Smart Fill tool just to see what it looked like. Keep changing your colors. And that is how you would make a 6-sided Polygon puzzle piece, tessellation, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.